Hey, yep, I'm just doing a video on somebody who might be looking for extra income, part-time. I imported vinyl from Korea, and it was basically a part-time jobs, but it's up to you. You could turn it into a full-time job and make a good income out of it. Basically, it was about 2 days work out of a week. And here's the site. They go to Ching Yang site. Their site's got all the vinyl. I picked that Evron, it was called, and it was a medium light grade commercial vinyl. There's hundreds to pick from there, so you can pick the ones you want to pick. I just picked a few. You can get them to send you samples. It's probably a good idea. But this is the site that I used. There's somebody who might be interested. It's an easy bit of income. I did it for about 8 years, and there's some samples they sent me. I sold this and about 3 other types of vinyl. The wood grain's always popular, sells very easy. And I sold some sort of other bluish ones for kitchen tile type vinyl. And once you've sorted out with the company what vinyl you want to go with, get them to send you a performer invoice with all the details. Minimum order was 60 rolls, 20 meters per roll. There it is there, 60 rolls, the type, all the details on there on the performer invoice. $6 per meter, American dollars, 1200 meters, all up. In American dollars for the 60 rolls is 7,000. What has it got there? $7,000 in American dollars, which is about $9,000. Oh, yeah, there is 7,200 American dollars. The exchange rate is back to about $9,000 New Zealand dollars, but it's in excellent company, South Korean company to deal with. I'm just putting this on there because I did it for about 8 years. Easy, pretty easy work, nothing much to it. Just the container, you order your vinyl. Once you've done the performer invoice, you go to the bank and you pay by telegram transfer. There's a copy from Westpac Trust, a telegraph transfer. Once you've done a telegram transfer, a TT transfer, the company that you deal with, like the Korea Ching Yang, they'll want to see this to confirm that you've paid, so they'll get on making your order. There it is there. The price of that 60 rolls in New Zealand dollars was 9,200, and you'll need a freight company. I used Pingullies. I used Wellington. They're all over the country, Auckland, Wellington. And Wellington, who I was dealing was Sean Neary from Wellington. He's awesome to deal with. He looks after the shipping container when it comes in. There's Sean Neary. He looks after that. He's onto it. And who looks after your accounts? There's John Pedersen, and he's awesome too. So this is just a guide, an idea. There's other freight companies, but I've been using Pingullies for about 8 years. And my brother was also importing cork flooring from Portugal. We did that. It was a good business. It's a bit rough. I've covered up some of just my addresses and details on there, but there's the Pingullies invoice that they send you, the things that they charge you for, importing transaction, border, and that, and the price for importing 60 rolls of vinyl from South Korea to New Zealand is 4,000, where is it there, about 4,500. It changes a little bit depending on the exchange rate and that, but that's a easy business, and I just give someone an idea that they might want to get on with it. All good. Excellent. Thanks for watching.